In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage HPE Alletra Storage MP X10000 through GreenLake platform and its scalability of performance and capacity. When you log into the GreenLake platform and go into the Data Services Cloud console, you will be landed on this page. From Data Ops Manager, X10000 can be managed from the Data Services Cloud console. The Data Ops Manager gives you the comprehensive management view of all your unstructured and structured data. And because of this, an HPE GreenLake cloud offering, you get the cloud management experience while all the benefits of on-prem performance and security. When you log into the Data Ops Manager, you can query your system, X10000 cluster, and get a lot of detailed information, its capacity, what its performance is doing, the hardware, including the compute and drive enclosures, what software it's running, details about networking, and some of the other settings such as NTP and some security information. From DSCC, you can create, access, and manage S3 buckets on the X10000. The Data Object Services dashboard abstracts hardware and system-specific details, leaving you with a targeted look at just the object storage, showing you your most performance and capacity-intensive buckets, as you can see here. Creating the S3 buckets are just a few clicks. And this will give you a recommendation of the best cluster to create the bucket on based on capacity and performance. So we'll just pick one. You can enable S3 notifications, or you can have some metadata added to it. And once you click create, a bucket will be created here. From DSCC, you can also create custom access policies, designated operational granularity to all buckets or for specific buckets. You can add specific buckets if you want, or you can have all buckets, and you can control the effects and the actions. And then when you click on add, you will be landed with the access policy created. You can also perform robust user management functions, including group creation and access policy for set of users. You can pick the cluster that you want to create the user on. And this is where you can download your secret key. Once you download it, you get to the next screen and add it to the group if you have created one, and then apply the policy, for example, to it, and then create the user. Once that's done, the user is created, and then this user can access the buckets created on the cluster based on the access allowed. And finally, I'm going to talk a little about X10000 scalability of performance and capacity capabilities. With respect to underlying storage architecture, there are a number of design principles that we've embraced during solution development. X10000 is an enterprise data management solution based on a fault-tolerant design. It is software-defined, enabling deployment on-prem or in the cloud, and it's based on containerized architecture with Kubernetes-based orchestration. The platform is designed to natively support multiple protocols for unified data access. S3-based object storage is supported at launch, which was a year ago, and native file storage support is coming in the future releases. Based on its disaggregated design, compute and storage can scale independently for specific workloads. The solution is also optimized for flash. It is an all-flash solution. We're aiming for magnitudes better performance than our competition based on sharding an S3 bucket across multiple nodes. Another performance-based differentiator is the ability to run object and file services without either being prioritized and thereby inhibiting the other. With our solution, the data services can each be first-class citizen. This aggregation is one of the most important architectural advantages of X10000. It allows customers to independently scale performance, controllers, and capacity, JBOFs. The storage controllers and JBOFs are designed to be no single point of failure. It also can be cost optimized because scaling is required. The use of containerized application allow non-disruption during the scaling, no reboots of the controllers for apps to be migrated or started. There is no need to perform forklift upgrade because of complete system replacement. When capacity or performance must be updated, the storage controllers are stateless, means that failure of one controller nodes can be replaced online without downtime. But it also allows customers to upgrade as new technology arrives. X10000 does not use special hardware like storage class memory, persistent memory. Therefore, upgrade is not a complicated sizing exercise and reduces TCO over system lifetime. X10000 forms an immortal cluster that continues to expand with modern technology and evacuate aging hardware. This concludes this tutorial. If you're wanting to untap the potential of unstructured data, let me encourage you to take a look at the HPE Alletra Storage MP X10000.